shadows fall and the lights are gone, crying in the night where hope has drawn. In the silence where the whispers fade, we lift the dust in a twilight shade. Candles flicker as the cold winds blow, memories of light in the streets below. Lonely hearts seek a spark to find, in a world made dark, left so confined. No power here, just empty skies. A land that breathes in silent cries. Hold on, my love, through this endless night. We'll find our way with borrowed light. Dreams are caught in the tangled lines, where once we danced in the bright designs. Now we gather near to share our fears, hoping for dawn to dry our tears. Down the empty lanes where children play, voices echo in the ghostly gray. We pray for time to bring the glow and heal the night from this heavy blow. No power here, just empty skies. A land that breathes in silent cries. Hold on, my love, through this endless night. We'll find our way with borrowed light. No power here, just empty skies. A land that breathes in silent cries. Hold on, my love, through this endless night. We'll find our way with borrowed light.